Namaste to all. Welcome to my channel, your channel, and our channel, Ingredients of India by Balaji Rayulu. Today, I am going to introduce a unique South Indian favorite, famous, spicy chutney. You can name it as a chutney, pachadi, pickle, anything whichever you like. Today's pachadi will have a different kind of ingredients which you might have not expected. With basic ingredients, your taste buds will crave for it to taste again and again. So let's go into it. Namaste once again. Welcome to my channel, Ingredients of India. So as I said earlier, I'll be cooking for you a special dish, very simple dish with simple ingredients. Brinjal. So have you ever imagined with this brinjal what and all can be prepared? Generally what we do sambar, we do some poriyal, we do something XYZ with this brinjal. But keeping this brinjal, using this brinjal, have you ever thought about it to bring up a tasty pachadi, a tasty chutney, a tasty pickle? So before getting into this, there are two VIPs in our show today. There are really VIPs. They were very busy. I have requested them to come and give a valuable presence in my show. And it's Kanna and Ammu. Hi. Hi Kanna. So, can we start? Before starting this, let me tell you what and all ingredients are required for this pachadi, a brinjal pachadi. This pachadi is basically, we call this as a roti pachadi. It's basically come from South India, one of South India from Telugu state, Andhra Pradesh. This is basically prepared through the people call this as a roti pachadi. Roti in a sense, it's a grinding stone with wooden piston or a stone piston. But since this is not available at present, so we will be using our hands to mix this pachadi. So to prepare this brinjal pachadi, we require 3 onions, half a kilo of brinjal, 1 full garlic, for tasting salt, mustard seeds, salt water. The reason I have taken salt water, after cutting a brinjal, if you keep it for open air, this will become a dark color. So after cutting it, put in the salt water so that it will remain same how it was. Oil, I have taken a coconut oil. Basically, whenever you are preparing a South Indian pachadi, a South Indian chutney, like you're from Andhra Pradesh, or you're from Karnataka, you're from Tamil Nadu, people prefer groundnut oil or gingerly oil. So since it is not available, I have taken a coconut oil, but I recommend if you use a groundnut oil, it will enhance the taste of pachadi. And tamarind, I have taken a big onion size as well as big lemon size. I have soaked in a water, and say about 40 number of red chilies. And finally, for the tadka, I have taken curry leaves. So now, let us cut the onions and the brinjal to proceed further. Just see how the way I am cutting the onion. You people also please cut in the same way, the smaller pieces. When you add a platter, they should be in the capacity of, you have to bite it very easily. So onions basically it will enhance every dish taste. Basically I love onions. I don't know whether you people, how much amount of onions you will add up in your curries. And when you are using your knife, please take care and keep kids aside, away from the knife, because knives are very dangerous. Kids don't know how it is going to affect. A small incident is enough to cause a big damages. That too, when you are cutting your vegetables, you have to ensure your knife is very sharp. So when your knife is very sharp, you'll have to be very careful enough to protect yourself and your family. This pachadi in Andhra Pradesh, in Telugu state, basically, if you go to East Godavari and any places, they prefer too much of pachadis with a spicy, too much of spicy, too much of oil and ghee. That's the reason, basically, the Telugu people, everyone says the anger will be there on nose, but it is not the fact. So everyone gets angry if something happens wrong or if the people are not treated well. But spicy also one of the reason, I don't deny it. So we have finished our cutting the onions. Let us keep it aside. And next job is to cut the brinjal. As I said, after cutting the brinjal, put this in a water, salt water, so that it will not become a darkish, or it will not become a black. So when you have onions or whatever vegetables, if you see there is some insect inside, that means the vegetable is it's organic, because nowadays the farming has become too much of chemical. So if something you see everything is fresh without any insects, that means the cultivating with too much of chemicals. So the brinjal which I have brought today in the morning, so I have found some of things got damaged. That means that I've got good brinjal. So I'll be keep entertaining you with different kind of cuisines. It's only Indian cuisines. I'll be not concentrating on any Western cuisine or European cuisine, because being an Indian, I like to promote all Indian cuisines. And if you're watching this channel first time, please like, subscribe and comment if something is wrong you found or something is good you found, so that it will motivate me to rectify myself, to bring a new videos. Don't forget to press a bell icon and select an all option, so that all my videos will come like a notification where you can see, and you can encourage me, so that I will encourage you with new and authentic dishes. The amount of size, if you keep, what happens, it will cook very early and it will not take longer time. But if you keep a bigger size, it will take longer time to cook, to become a soft. Basically we'll have to make this brinjal softer mode, so that it will help us when you are grinding it, when you are mixing it, it will help us in easy way. If you want to know complete preparation, don't skip anywhere and don't fast forward. Watch it carefully. And I'll be giving an all ingredients, what and all require, in a description, so that you don't need to worry like what is the content we need to take. If we say the older days, the cooking style was just like everything as per the taste. It used to be utilized, say about salt or masala powders or onion, but gradually it has turned into the measurement calculation. So if I'm showing any videos, I'll be not showing in measurement calculations. It's all like as per the taste. There are few dishes which require an exact measurement calculation. Yes, in that part I will show you exact measurement calculation. So our cutting work is done. So I have added in the salt water. So next our work is, since I have told you we have taken a tamarind, so I have already soaked in a water. Let us mix this. Don't add too much of water. I have taken a big onion size, a big lemon size. So we need a thick juice of tamarind. So if you add too much of water, the taste of pachadi will not give you the exact thing. So maximum how much ever you can take, that much tight juice please take it. Adding, if you really want to add, you can add up a little amount of water, but not too much. So I'll come back to this later. So we have taken some amount of tamarind pulp. So let us turn on the gas. So we have taken an oil of about 100 grams, 100 ml. You can take like how much ever you want it. The preparation of any dish apart from Kerala, other 4 states, basically South India contains 5 states: Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra, Karnataka and Telangana. Apart from Kerala, other 4 states, they utilize too much of oil for all ingredients, for any cookings. That's what you can see if you're traveling towards the south, like the states which I have mentioned. You can see every dish contains too much of oil, especially the pachadis or pickles or whatever it is. So the same way I have taken oil. For backup, I have kept some more oil to add up if it required. So oil has come into our expectation. So I'll take garlic first. Just wait till it fry properly. Don't fry too much. This is enough. This consistency is enough, because you'll have to grind this along with the chilies, the red chilies. So let us fry the red chilies. Don't burn it. Fry it properly and make sure it should not become a black. So you can see the oil still remain the same amount of oil what we have utilized earlier, but we have started how much we have used. Don't fry in too much of high flame and don't fry in too much of low flame. If you fry in too much of high flame, it will burn too much. If you put it to the low flame, it will not properly fry. So it is done. This is our expected fry consistency. Now let us put the brinjal. Make sure when you are putting brinjal, because you are putting directly into the oil, and this is already in the water. Careful yourself when you are cooking something, you are playing with gas. So just careful yourself. Protect yourself. This has to cook for some time. This has to cook properly. In between, let us add some amount of salt. Not too much. It's some amount of salt. Actually, this channel I have planned so many years before or so many months before, and recently I wanted to become an active in this channel because this is my passion, and I have started this channel with a passion. I want to show what is in India. That's the reason I have kept this ingredients of India, and my name is Balaji. So we are cooking this. So let us leave it for some time till it becomes softer. So don't leave it completely closed in a confident saying that it will cook itself. No, it requires human interference. Otherwise, if it burns, then the entire taste of pachadi will go for a toss. So let us not take a chance. It has to become very soft now. This one you can use it, this pachadi you can use it for dosa, idli, but I prefer with piping hot rice with a ghee. I'll really enjoy the spicy food with this kind of pachadi. I'm sure you people are watching this preparation. It has not become softer, so let us wait for some more time. Basically, cooking is an art, so everyone is an artist on this earth. It just need just a snap, just a fraction of a second to come out the artist from your side. So I'm sure everyone will have one or other skill, and cooking, I love it. And finding a different kind of recipes and finding a different kind of cooking styles, I love it. So still it needs some more time to cook. We can see this is not cooked well, I mean softener. Let us wait for some more time. I'm waiting to finish this pachadi because I'm waiting to have my lunch. I thought let me have my lunch today with this amazing and tasty, yummy pachadi, brinjal pachadi. Almost. It's really smelling nice when you're frying. Coconut oil, when you're cooking with coconut oil, yes, it is also gives a good flavor. But when you're doing something, pachadi, pickle or whatever it is, I 100% recommend groundnut oil or gingerly oil. Because yes, it has come to an end. Let us turn off the gas and leave it for some time to become a cold. So as I said, this pachadi prepares with a grinding stone with wooden piston or the stone piston. So it is not available now. I'm sure I'll be organizing it very soon, and I'll be coming up with more number of pachadis. I have turned off this. I'm keeping an aside. Let us keep it open to become bit cold so that you can mix it with your hands. So meanwhile, what we have to do is the red chilies which we have fried earlier, let us grind it, but don't grind it too much of smooth way. Up to certain course you have to grind it. I think this jar is very smaller, so we'll come back again. Let us grind up a little amount. So we got a space to put the rest red chilies. I love this color. You can see this is called a Rogan. So which comes out from the red chilies. This gives a very nice taste. So it's all red chilies are there inside. So you can see this way up to this level, this thing you have to do, you have to grind, and I have to add up the garlic as well. It is done almost. It's require bit. So we are done with this. So now almost the chili we have grinded how we wanted. So this way is enough. So finally I have added some of the garlic what we have fried. So now we almost come to an end. So become in softer way and cold consistency. So let us keep this aside. So let us prepare tadka for it. We are in the final stage. We're going to have yummy brinjal pachadi. It's very simple ingredients, very economical ingredients. You just need a brinjal, you just need an onion and red chilies, and what else? It's just simple. Mustard seeds and salt. Even it doesn't take too much of time to prepare. If you are hungry, you have come home after your hard work, you don't know what to do, you have something at home, some vegetables. I'll show you with other vegetables also how to prepare. Wow, beautiful sound. Amazing. Very nice smell. This is done. Switch off and keep it aside. So I'm not using my hand. I'm mixing this because still I can see there is a smoke, hot smoke from inside. There is a hot smoke from inside. That's the reason I am using the spoon to mix this. Let me mix this well and add up the tamarind pulp which was there earlier, and there is a bit more remaining. Take it the balance pulp Add this up. I'm loving it. I love this smell. So I have added almost everything. Let me try with my hand whether I can able to bear the heat, because when you are mixing with your hand, it completely changes the way the mixture, how much ever you use your spoon or whatever it is, it doesn't give you the perfection. It's very hot. It's really hot. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment if you really like my preparation. I am sure I am meeting up your expectations. Add up some onion finally. It is almost done. Now we'll have to add the tadka. That's it. Enjoying with this rice. So we are done with our brinjal pachadi today. Hope everyone liked my preparation. So I am ready to go with the lunch with a pachadi, hot rice and ghee. If you are first time watching this channel, please subscribe my channel, Ingredients of India by Balaji Rayalu. Like, subscribe, share and give me your comments to come up with the new ideas, to come up with new cookings, to come up with new dishes, to come up with variety Indian food. Thank you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in next video.